Good morning, Craig Mack here, Liberty Bell Beekeepers. So we're out in a place called Fogelsville, Pennsylvania, and we're getting some bees today. So we have a lovely home, and the bees are getting in right here. Surprise, surprise, brick to siding, happens all the time. So what's happening is I'm seeing a heat signature pretty heavy right behind the brick here, but also inside what looks to be in between the floor joists. So they had activity at this house in the past. Bees were here, bees left, bees showed back up this year. So we're going to get into it, open up the ceiling. The site is prepped, vacuum, floor protection, plastic. This is great because it's right outside, so it's going to make things real easy for me getting in and out. Ground floor, no steps, no lift. So here we go. All right, so have our space opened up. Got some new wax. Looks like a new colony this spring. Been here a couple of months. Coming in and out on the end down there. Got some insulation blocking it, but nice little colony of bees. So we're gonna get in there, start to getting them out. See if we can't get her to run out in the open. Right there. Oh, beautiful. And there she is. At this point, I'm cleaning up the remaining bees from the last bit of comb I couldn't reach, removing that piece of insulation, and closing off the entry point. So I stuffed the crack with steel wool and apply spray foam and then fill the whole bay with insulation. Thanks for watching.